I'm in my own film. And I'm not having to hold it like this. See what I did there? Inappropriate! Inappropriate!
Life is inappropriate.
Andre, we're not surprised.
Maybe this is attached together.
That thing absolutely wants to round.
Yeah, don't break it together when it broke.
You don't even want to break, it wants to round. So,
But is this
maybe. You know what would make this life easier in general?
Let's get it in about 10 feet further.
Were to disassemble all of this stuff, get all the board supports and everything out, get the hinges off, as much hold as we can, and then come back and fight that. Because that way we're making
That'll work.
But maybe this is attached to the actual body.
So we need this 15. We need a half inch.
There's a half inch there.
That's smaller. We need a half, and then I'll grab you
We're trying to get the trim off?
yeah. I'm gonna have to start tearing everything off and bag and tag, and then the more apart the better. The more apart the better. The more better the apart. I'm gonna go get cordless. Save yourself some time, my friend.
Well, why are we taking this off?
Because we got to get it all apart anyway.
Why?
It's got to be all apart to be sanded and painted.
This?
Yeah, that's got to be out. The inner fender's got to be out.
We're gonna take every bolt out of this car.
Tom, you're a good guest filmer.
I try. You're gonna have to do some serious editing though.
Oh no, I just slap it all together. It's raw. I was waiting for the. Hey! There he is. What's happening? We're doing all kinds of stuff. We got some grind. The shindig is a jumping. I got people. We got one guy working. This is Caltrans over here. Is it spinning?
I'm glad I handed him the cordless. They're here for 6 years.
I need to get one of those.
Those are the best things I've ever bought. All of my cordless shit. Yeah.
Those are game changers.
Oh yeah. I can throw myself wherever as long as that fits, and I can get something done way quicker. I'm even to the point of if I can break it loose or something, and it's like a pain in the ass to get my hand really wrap it, but I can pop it loose. I will put 49 extensions together
Several
to get
swivels.
that down there, to pop it out.
Whatever it takes.
Because it's faster than sitting there going. Yeah, I'm just like, I want to be here all day.
Can't break up this. Let me, as soon as Bobby's done filming.
It's not like you're naked, jeez.
He is under his clothes. How do you know?
He might have 4 suits on. Face grip time.
All layers.
Like I'm wearing all of.
Well, you're wearing your best sweater underneath your sweater.
Yeah, I was born with a fur coat. It's okay.
Every time I see it's like, oh, groovy, baby.
Yeah.
You're hairy like animal.
Do it again. You're hairy like animal.
I've gone a whole lot. I want to try to go, but it's just not the dog.
Everyone watches these videos. What am I going to learn about today? And it's just
Andre's inappropriatism.
shenanigans. They kick me out. Bang up job. Oh, that's a good picture. That's going on the Facebook. We're going to title it that. Like, oh, man.